The portfolio value creation multiplier effect. First and foremost, the individual company support. 1x into the value creation of direct assistance. Cross portfolio synergies. 3x value creation through strategic connections. Network effect amplification. 5x the value creation through ecosystem development. Systematic capability building. 10x the value creation through institutional processes. There are four pillars of systematic portfolio value creation. The pillar one is cross portfolio synergy engineering. Herein, you have strategic partnerships that facilitate business relationships between the portfolio companies, talent circulation, creating talent sharing and development across the portfolio, knowledge transfer, systematically sharing learnings and the best practices, resource optimization, wherein you coordinate resource sharing and joint investments. The pillar two is the network effect amplification, wherein you have customer network leverage using customer relationships across multiple companies. Supplier ecosystem development, building supplier networks that benefit the entire portfolio. Partnership platform creation, wherein you develop strategic partnerships that scale across investments. And finally, the market intelligence aggregation, coordinating market insights across the portfolio companies. The pillar three is capability platform building, wherein you have shared service development, building capabilities that service multiple portfolio companies. Center of excellence creation, developing expertise hubs that support the entire portfolio. Technology platform leverage, creating technology capabilities that scale across investments. Operational excellence systems, building operational frameworks that improve all the companies. And finally, let's come to the pillar four, which is ecosystem market creation. Herein, you have industry transformation leadership, wherein you lead market changes that benefit multiple portfolio companies. You have standard setting participation, influencing industry standards to favor the portfolio positions. Regulatory engagement, participation in policy development that supports portfolio interests. And thought leadership development, building market authority that attracts opportunities and talent.